Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find bio in YouTube Shorts. So as you can see, this is the app of YouTube, and once I go to the YouTube app, you will see like Shorts section like below on the screen. So just go to this Shorts section, and once I am here on the Shorts section, so you can see all the options like, dislike, comment, share, remix, and here is the like title and hashtags, and this is the basically description as you can see. So if like let's say you are not able to see the description here, as I just opened it, so just click on these three lines on the upper screen, just three lines, and from here click on description, and once you click on description you will be able to see this description. As you can see, this is the like dad and son love, these are the hashtags and everything. And let's say I change to another reel, like let's say this is the video I want like the title, as you can read, POV children learn from parents, and like this is the title. So let's click on these three lines and click on description, and this is the like description of the video, children learn from parents. So this is a simple and easy process of how you can find bio in YouTube Shorts.